What's up everyone, Jamie here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to see how the stock market fared for the week, as well as how the challenge fund did as well. If you're new to my channel and you're wondering what is the challenge fund, well, I took 3 different YouTubers and myself and created 4 different investment strategies. And with full transparency, good or bad, I show how each one of these investment strategies does every week. I started this February 28th by investing $500 in each one of these portfolios. And then each week I dollar cost average another $100 into them as well. I do these videos so if you're thinking about investing, you can look at each one of these strategies and see if they align with your investment strategies. Then you can determine if this would be a good option or not. If you want to get caught up on the series, I have a playlist linked above so you can check it out. Let me take you to my computer and let's see how the stock market did this week. All right, for the week, you can see the Dow Jones was up 0.029%, but this is including last Friday since today is Good Friday and the stock market's closed. The S&P 500 is in the last 5 days is down 1.86%. The Russell 2000 is up 0.53%, and the Nasdaq is down 2.56%. So far for the year of 2022, it hasn't been good for any of these indexes. With the Dow down 5.83% for the year, the S&P 500 down 8.42%, the Russell 2000 down 11.77%, and the Nasdaq down 15.67%. So now let's go ahead and take a look at the challenge fund and see how it's doing. All right, for the year, the challenge fund is down 2.78%, so a total of $88. So not too bad compared to the other indexes. So for the week, the challenge fund is down $106 and 2.47%. So not a good week for the stock market in general. Now let's go ahead and take a look at each one of these funds and see how each one is faring for the week. The first investment strategy we're going to look at is Jeremy from Financial Education. Again, he likes to invest in single stocks, and most of these stocks are small cap stocks or mid cap stocks. So we had Corsair Gaming for the week was down 5.67%. Tattooed Chef was almost down 8% for the week. Skyworks was down 4.41% for the week. Honest was down 3.11%. Oatly was down 3.63%, while Dropbox was his only gain at 2.09%. And then Elf Beauty was down 0.64%. Upwork was down 5.08%. Facebook was down 5.72%, and PayPal was his biggest loss at 9.42% for the week. So overall for the week, this investment strategy was down 5%. All right, now we're taking a look at Joseph Carlson, who likes to invest in single stocks as well, but mostly in dividend-paying stocks. So here we have BlackRock, which this is more of an ETF of dividend stocks, was down 4.97% for the week. Costco was down 2.89%. Apple was down 3.87%. Microsoft was down almost 7% for the week. Disney was down 1%. Home Depot and Vici were his only 2 gains. Home Depot was up 0.47% and Vici was up 4.58%. While Starbucks, JP Morgan, and Domino's all had losses as well. So this investment strategy was down a total of 3% for the week, or $33. So now let's go ahead and take a look at the next portfolio. Next, we have our ETF portfolio from Graham Stephan. So here is just we picked 5 ETFs to invest in. So for the week, the S&P 500 ETF was down 2.38%, while the total stock market ETF was down 2% for the week, while the only gain came from the small cap ETF at 0.30% for the week, while the total international stock ETF was down 1.14%, while the QQQ was down 4.24% for the week. With this total investment strategy of all ETFs down 2.11%, and $23. The final portfolio we're looking at for the week is the Recession stock portfolio. So here we have Dollar Tree up 8.92%. We have Budweiser up 0.53%. We have Verizon up 2.06%. We have Walmart up 0.30%. And we have Lowe's down 0.86%. Johnson & Johnson down 1.11%. 3M down 1.82%. O'Reilly's, Waste Management, and Kroger all down as well. But for the week, this was the only gain of any portfolio, up 0.02%, so not a lot. Again, this was just a horrible week for the stock market, but that's not going to stop us. We're going to keep investing, and I'll be putting another $100 in each of these portfolios on Monday. If you're thinking about investing and want to open up a stock brokerage account, I'd really recommend M1 Finance. I do have a referral link below in the description. So what it does is if you invest $100, you'll get $50 for free, as well as they'll send me $50 as well. So if you want to support the channel and set up a brokerage account, go ahead and use the link below. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to check back next week to see if the challenge fund made or lost money.